Etex Group is one company fully aware of the climate change and the impact caused by energy consumption from residential and industrial properties. As an international manufacturer of building materials, Etex Group has focused on reducing energy consumption and continue to use their expertise to help customers renovate old properties and to create new properties that further reduce energy consumption.
Well, as a responsible industry, we try to consume less energy in our factories. We do it now with 30% less energy than 10 years ago for the same volume. As a producer of building materials, we want to even go further, provide engineers, architects with solutions for low energy housing.
Etex Group researched the energy efficiency of existing properties, and with the results, the company developed application systems that can be applied in new built houses and buildings. Here in Belgium, a new family house was built as a near-zero energy house. Etex Group was able to develop systems based on their fibre cement panels that allow for better insulation on buildings, even those with more complicated facades. Moreover, these boards also have a very good weather resistance, are very sustainable and can be produced with little impact on the environment.
Wel, we zitten hier in een passief huis. Dat wil zeggen dat we heel dikke isolatiepakketten hebben moeten toepassen. En dat we in dat dikke isolatiepakket alle koude bruggen hebben willen vermijden. Met de vezelcementplaten hebben we het voordeel dat dat een dunne opbouw is. Dus dat we daar een beetje compenseren in de dikte van het totaalpakket. En dat het systeem wordt opgehangen aan ons binnenspouwblad, waardoor we een aantal klassieke koude bruggen kunnen vermijden.
This house was finalised in early 2011, and building to these measures has resulted in a higher building cost, but the owners are rewarded with lower energy costs and thus savings in the longer term. On this construction site, Etex Group are implementing materials that will help reduce energy consumption. Through the combination of hydro panel on the inside and jury panel on the outside, an airtight insulation and moisture resistance is created for the house, a technique that is very important for energy efficiency.
Wij wensten een laag energie houtskeletbouwwoning en bovendien wensten we dit zelf te bouwen. Vandaar dat er toch wel wat eisen gesteld werden aan de plaatmaterialen. Ik denk dan aan de vochtbestendigheid, de hoge brandweerstand van de cementgebonden platen en ook de akoestische isolatie.
Etex Group continues to develop ways in which it can provide materials to help reduce energy consumption for new and existing properties. As well as this, the company has shown the desire to help those in need from emerging countries around the world. In 2010, an earthquake with a magnitude of 8.8 struck southern Chile, causing a painful loss of life and damage to thousands of homes and cities in affected areas of the country. This created the need to rebuild to a level never seen before in the country's history, as approximately 220,000 families in Chile lost their homes.
Vino la noche, era como las 2 de la mañana sería cuando vino el golpe. Supimos que el golpe venía, pero si estaba ya la casa yendo abajo. Tuvimos que salir por una ventana de la casa. Después se cortaron las aguas, había harta agua, todo, y ahí estuvimos toda la noche.
Etex Group and its subsidiary company Pizzareno offered its services to the government of Chile and became heavily involved in the reconstruction program. The government wished to begin reconstruction as soon as possible, so that thousands of Chileans who are currently living in emergency conditions will soon have access to safe and decent housing. Here in southern Chile, one of the many construction projects is well underway. Where possible, houses are being built on the same location where families lived before the catastrophe.
En la actualidad estamos en conjunto con empresas Pizarreño con un proyecto tipo, porque toda vivienda que para postular a este subsidio especial debía ser certificada para cumplir todas las normas que existen en Chile, en la parte térmica, la parte de estructura, la parte acústica, de acuerdo a cada zona que está diferenciado el país.
This process has required innovative technologies and building designs, as the main objective of the reconstruction plan was to rebuild a better Chile and improve the quality of housing. Etex Group has ensured that all of its construction projects are completed with the highest government standards, providing the people of Chile with a home that they can once again be proud of.
Yo vivía abajo, frente a la plaza, por ahí, unas roquitas que había nomás, unas casitas. Y ahora, ¿cómo no va a estar tranquila, contenta con una casa así? Ahora no me quiero ir para el frente. quiero disfrutarla, junto a mis nietos, a mis bisnietos.
Thanks to the hard work carried out by Etex Group in Chile, people are finally getting their lives back on track. Even through a tough period of history for Chile, there's been a sense of pride within these communities as their heritage has been recovered and rebuilt.
In the future, indeed, we definitely are motivated to reduce even more energy, consume less energy, less CO2 production from building materials. In emerging markets, we develop affordable houses, low-cost houses, which is really the dream of all people also in emerging markets, to have an affordable house with low energy consumption.